Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to use Google Meet. So if you need to have a video lesson tutorial or meet up with a student, the easiest way is to go to meet.google.com. Okay? Now it's going to bring you to this screen and you can join or start a meeting. Just click the plus button and title this maybe your class name and block, or a check-in, or whatever it is that you are discussing. If it's a test or a quiz or a Socratic seminar, name it anything. So you can say Block A, Socratic seminar. Continue. You may be thinking, oh, I'm the only one here. But what you want to do is click Join Now. Okay, so the title is Block A Socratic Seminar, and students can go to meet.google.com and type in Block A Socratic Seminar, but the easiest way is to just click Copy Joining Info. You can also add people, or you can just copy this link, but if you just click Copy Joining Info, then you can go to classroom.google.com, and then you're just going to paste it in the stream. So go to whatever class that you would like students to join, share something, post the URL, and then students would just simply click on that URL and join your meeting. So another good idea maybe is to add class comment and say some ground rules. Maybe keep everybody's mic muted until you need to speak. Make sure you are courteous to everybody, maybe that you have headphones on, that you're in a quiet space. Otherwise, enjoy your Google Meet. Thanks for watching.